In the world of high-end photography, there is a name that doesn't just represent a camera, but a religion. Leica. For over a century, the red has been the ultimate symbol of less is more. But as we sit here in 2026, the whispers from Wetzlar, Germany, have reached a fever pitch. The purists are nervous. The innovators are salivating. And the collectors are already clearing their shelves. Because the Leica M12 isn't just a successor to the M11, it is a fundamental reimagining of what a rangefinder can be in an AI-driven, high-speed digital world. If you think you know what to expect from an M-series camera, you're probably wrong. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The M12 is rumored to be the biggest leap in the system's history since the transition from film to digital. We are talking about a device that balances the tactile, mechanical soul of 1954 with the computational wizardry of 2026. This is the story of the Leica M12, the camera that shouldn't exist, but is about to change everything. For decades, the M-series has been defined by its limitations. No autofocus. No video. A manual rangefinder patch that requires your eyes and hands to be in perfect sync. It's slow photography. But the modern world is fast. Sensors are getting denser, and the demands of professional street and documentary photographers are shifting. The M12 is Leica's answer to a question they've been avoiding for years. How do you innovate without losing your soul? The first major bombshell, and the one that has the forums in a literal frenzy, is the Hybrid Viewfinder evolution. For the M12, Leica is reportedly moving away from the traditional optical-only setup. Imagine an optical rangefinder that can instantly overlay high-resolution OLED data. Not just a tiny crop, but a full-frame digital preview hidden inside the glass. This smart patch technology would allow photographers to confirm focus and exposure without ever taking their eye off the subject. It's the marriage of the mechanical past and the digital future. It keeps the soul of the rangefinder but removes the guesswork that often scares away new users. But let's talk about the heart of the beast. The sensor. The M11 gave us 60 megapixels, but the M12 is rumored to push the boundaries of full-frame silicon even further. We are looking at a 75 megapixel triple resolution sensor. This isn't just about massive file sizes. It's about the flexibility to shoot at 18, 36, or 75 megapixels with improved dynamic range at every level. But the real secret sauce. The M12 is expected to feature a new global shutter variant or a readout speed so fast that the traditional mechanical shutter might finally be optional. Imagine a Leica M that is completely silent, not quiet, but literally silent, without the rolling shutter distortion that ruins high-speed shots. Why does this matter to the USA audience? Because in the age of Instagram and high-end gallery prints, the Leica look is more valuable than ever. The M12 is rumored to include hardware-level film simulations. We aren't talking about cheap filters. We are talking about Leica working directly with legendary film labs to bake the color science of Kodachrome and Tri-X directly into the raw data processing of the M12's Maestro 4 engine. You aren't just taking a digital photo, you're capturing an aesthetic that usually takes hours of post-processing to achieve. And then there's the design. The M12 is rumored to be the thinnest digital M ever. Leica engineers have reportedly found a way to shave another 2 to 3 millimeters off the body thickness, bringing it almost perfectly in line with the legendary M6 film camera. To do this, they've had to rethink everything, from the battery placement to the internal cooling. The result is a camera that feels less like